Variable Progression Rate, or VPR, is one of the many procedures that the Queensland Curriculum and Assessment Authority offers to schools to accommodate the varied ways students engage in the senior phase of learning. The QCAA website contains handbooks which describe this and other policies, protocols, procedures and strategies used by schools to help administer their moderation, implementation and assessment decisions. By clicking on the Senior Secondary Senior Moderation Hub and the Handbooks tab, the repository for these documents can be accessed. Procedure for VPR can be found in the A to Z of Senior Moderation, Section 3.6, pages 45 to 47. Variable progression rates of students involves providing opportunities for some students to spread senior studies over 3 or more years, study 2 semesters of a senior subject in 1 semester, or commence a senior subject in Year 10. Where a school offers a student the opportunity to study using VPR, particular moderation procedures are required. This presentation explains the particular moderation procedures that must be followed in order to correctly process VPR students. In particular, this VPR procedure describes how to use the Form R6. It should be noted that the Form R6 should recall all students in the Year 12 cohort who have completed study of at least 1 semester of an approved schoolwork program. In this context, Year 12 cohort refers to the exiting cohort. The following procedures must be used to process the Form R6 when there is a VPR student or cohort. In this VPR example, we will consider 3 groups of students. There is a group of students who complete the subject in 2014 and exit the school in 2014. There is a group of students who complete the subject in 2015 and exit the school in 2015. And there is a VPR cohort, that is, a group of students who complete the subject in 2014 but exit the school in 2015. How does a school document this scenario on the R6? In 2014, all students who are exiting will be placed on the Form R6. The VPR students completing the subject in 2014 and exiting in 2015 will be placed on an attached photocopied Form R6 and annotated to indicate that they are a VPR student exiting in 2015. In 2015, all students exiting the school for that subject will be included on the 2015 Form R6. The VPR students who exited the subject in 2014 must be included on the 2015 Form R6 since they are in the exiting cohort and have completed at least 1 semester of the subject. To properly complete the process, the photocopied 2014 VPR Form R6 will be attached to the 2015 Green Form R6 and submitted to the QCAA at verification and exit. In that way, the VPR students previously verified in 2014 are included with the exiting cohort in 2015. This is the first in a series of 4 videos explaining the VPR procedure. The second, third, and fourth videos demonstrate worked examples of students undertaking studies using the variable progression rate procedure.